Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're having a great day. Are you ready to hit the ground running? Let's kick off our glute series with the Basic Glute Bridge. 3 levels are demonstrated. Please pick the right level for where you are today. On your mark, get set, let's go.
Glute Series. Exercise 1 Level 1. Pelvic Tilt. Glute Series. Exercise 1 Level 2. Half-range glute bridge. Glute Series. Exercise 1 Level 3. Full-range glute bridge.
Remember, within the next 7 days, you are to perform this exercise on at least 3 days. 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Stay tuned. Exercise number 2 drops next week.